The sport of bowling is still pretty new to PRP sophomore Noah Wright.
I bowled a little bit off and on, but nothing too serious.
Prior to his freshman year, Wright bowled sparingly, but then he decided to join the high school's bowling team, and now he's making a name for himself.
Noah has been doing really well, so really didn't surprise me.
In just his second year of bowling, he already has a perfect game under his belt.
It's quite unusual, but it's a testament to how hard he worked. Last year, we had postseason roster. When we went to regional and state, we're only allowed to take 10 bowlers. He was number 11. And so all summer long, he was here in the bowling center putting in time.
They just told me I got to work harder and get better.
And now his hard work is paying off. Wright is just one of 3 boys who bowled a perfect game in the Louisville area this season. A feat, Wright says, has helped with his confidence about the sport.
It's definitely, made me feel like I've accomplished something.
Of the 4 boys who have the perfect game this season, one of them is Wright's teammate at PRP. And according to head coach Julie Nicholson, there are other players on the team who are capable of bowling a 300. With that collection of talent, the Panthers are hoping to strike at the right time and accomplish another goal.
Probably win state.